Welcome back to a sunny day in the UK, where today we'll be doing a rust removal on an mx5. Right, so starting off, today we're going to be doing some rust repair on the NB. So I'm just going to get to it. So as you can see, there's just minor rust on the pretty much most of the metal components in the car, which can just be sanded away, even up the top here. So I'm just going to go and get cracking. Right, so just real quick while I'm back, I'm using a wire brush with a circular head to clean the rust off, and it's working fairly well. It just takes quite a while. So then the sway bar's been sanded down enough to put some rust remover on it, well, rust converter should I say, onto there. Right, so a little update, the sway bar's somewhat sanded down enough to put some, now I'm gonna get started on the lower control arm, just because it's in reach and it's quite gritty. One thing also, it's really weird not seeing a drive shaft on the front assembly of a car. Another thing though, the rust really isn't that bad, so it's just surface, so I'm quite pleased about that. Also, at least it's nice to know if I ever need to change an engine mount on this thing. The left engine mount's literally there. So that's the engine mount. I can touch it. It's a bit oily. So it's all coming down fairly well. It's just in here I'm finding difficulties because of the brake line. But it should get done pretty soon. It's only like 5 or 10 minutes job. It's already coming off really well. Around these holes, there's been a bit of rust gathering up. So I'm going to just go over it with the wire brush. So I think the final thing I'm going to be doing today is this upper control arm. Or at least just trying to get as much of it as I can, because it's really cold, it's wet out, and I've kind of had enough at this point. Right, so a lot of it's been ground down to a point where I can just put some rust converter on it. Yeah, I know the lower control arm's unbolted. It's been done to do a bit of rust repair, so that'll be going back in. Right, so I think that'll be the end for today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.